So I flip stuff on the internet.
Yeah.
I get a PS4, flip it for $100, $100 more. Is it kind of similar with real estate, how you buy a property and you flip it?
So I love that answer. I love that question out of you. So you flip PS4s, buy them for 100, sell them for 200. You flip. So
I flip smaller products. Yep.
all you're doing is smaller real estate. Right? So basically at the end of the day, real estate's a noun. It's a person, place, or thing. Right? It's a place. Right? You're flipping things, I'm flipping places. Other people flip people. There's a million different things you can flip. You just happen to flip something different. But at the end of the day, it's the same concept. If I buy it for $1 and I can sell it for $2, I made $1. If I do that 4,000 times, I made $4,000. Same thing in real estate. If I buy it for $100,000, I sell it for $200, I made $100,000. Let me do that 10 times. So at the end of the day, it's the same concept. It's just a different item, right? You're doing a thing, I'm doing a place. Get it?
Yeah.
So that's the only difference. You're young. You're probably like 20 years old. How old are you?
20.
See that?
So that's the thing, though. Are you fixing up the PlayStations, or are you just selling them, just complete arbitrage?
No, so I find products that have limited supply, and so I buy them for what they're listed at. But because there's a limited supply, the price goes up, right? Because there's a higher demand.
And then do you take new pictures of them and
So
make them look nicer?
So I take new pictures, and that's what I do with the camera. So sewing machines, people are sewing a lot. So I'm
Because they're home. So you're finding a niche that is kind of current with the market condition, right? So right now people are home. You got to find shit that people will do when they're home. So things that are not in high supply, buy them, refurbish them, make them look better, and sell them.
Exactly.
Same thing. So yes, the answer is the same. What else you got? Fire away. Hey, you watched it to the end. That means you must have liked it. Now do me a favor. Click like, click subscribe, or share this with your friends for future content. So you can get in. What I would do if I were you, if I were going to talk to a young investor like you, this is what I would do.